Okay, I'm going to greet you in the local way and you're going to tell me where I am. Ready? Howdy. Did I do that okay? Yes, I'm in Texas. I've been wanting to come out here for the longest time. Texas is my #1 bucket list state in the USA. So I'm super happy to be here, and of course, first thing I did when I got here, I got the hat. I mean, yeah, you gotta get the hat. In today's video, I'll get to test drive a car that less than 100 people have driven ever, anywhere in the world. It's pretty neat, and it tells jokes. That's a good one. Of course, this video wouldn't be complete without a romantic escape from the city to test what this vehicle can actually do. But for now, let's head back to Austin for a moment. Texas! I love this place. But before we do anything else, there's a small urgent matter I have to take care of. I mean, we're in Texas after all, aren't we? Let's go. I never knew that cowboy boots come in so many shapes and colors and designs. I thought they were just cowboy boots, but apparently this is not just a boot. This is a lifestyle and a philosophy and an art. There is something about Texan boots that just makes you feel so cool, and it just makes you feel like you really need them. I never knew I needed these boots, but I think I do. I have nowhere to wear them. Where would I wear them? So I spent quite a while walking around the store and trying to pick out the 4 most original boots, and I found these pairs. I think they're pretty incredible, honestly. I don't know who the designer is, I don't know who gets these kinds of boots, but kudos, seriously, kudos for the creativity. They are awesome. So right here we've got the beautiful boot with 3D flowers. Next to it, a lovely white and black boot with glitter. Then a gorgeous embroidered boot with a cross and wings. And last but not least, the all-American stars on a red background. I mean, that one's impressive. I think I'd get that one. Which one would you get? So I came out of the cowboy boot store empty-handed, or rather empty-footed. Haha, I know, so funny. But I had something really cool waiting for me outside. I'm about to test drive the new all-electric Volkswagen ID Buzz. It's just being revealed here in Austin, and that's why I've come here. Wow! Hello!
Hello!
This is Sam. Sam works with Volkswagen as a prototype driver, and because this car is a near-series prototype and not yet on sale, Sam has to teach me how to drive it and stay with me for the whole experience. She's such a beauty, check her out!
Thank you, thank you.
Oh
We figured you would love it.
Yeah, what's it like driving her?
Oh, she's amazing. She's smooth and very comfortable.
All right, so I actually get to sit inside and drive her, right?
100%.
God. Amazing. Look at her. You know, she looks just like the classic Volkswagen bus. So beautiful, but like from the future, obviously. I've never driven an electric car before, so this is going to be a first for me.
I think you will love the experience.
Oh, really?
I think so.
The car I normally drive is like really old and extremely loud, so this is going to be a bit of a change, right?
Yes, very quiet and very comfortable and very smooth to drive.
And hang on, I think I'm gonna be one of the first people in the world to drive it. Is that true?
Yes, there's only 4 of these vehicles here in the United States right now.
This is one of them.
Yes.
All right, cool. Let's get inside.
All right, let's make it happen.
I'm so excited. Never driven an electric car before. One of the first people to drive this car. It's pretty special. I've got like performance anxiety, you know? First things first, adjusting the seat. Your legs are much longer than mine.
Yes, a lot longer.
So I just move it here.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Very smooth. Okay, cool. So how does an electric car work? How do I even get this thing started?
So the beautiful thing about electric vehicles is now the second you press the brake pedal, everything turns on. So that is like your new start, stop button, or your on and off. As soon as you press that, the vehicle is ready to move.
So I don't have to like put a key in. I don't have
Nothing
to
at
press
all.
anything. Don't have to like change gears.
Nothing at all. Just
Yeah, where's the gearbox? Where's the transmission?
so with electric vehicles, it is underneath the vehicle. There's nothing else. To change everything is right here. So you will go drive or reverse. That's all you do.
That's it.
Yep. You hit the brake and move it where you need it.
Okay, that's like easier than riding a bicycle, I think. Okay, so put my leg on the brake.
And then you move it to whichever way you want it.
Move it here.
And it is in drive.
It's on?
It is on.
What? That's so crazy. Oh my god, it's driving! Hang on, I wasn't ready for this.
So now, since you took your foot off the brake, and it registered that you're not ready to move, it put it back in park.
Oh, what about this thing?
So this thing is very nice. There's a lot of features you can access, and you can change the background.
So I'm thinking, okay, if I'm feeling like energetic and joyful, I'm just gonna like press on Euphoria. Party mode.
Party mode. And everything changes, the whole background of the screens, everything.
All right, let's get driving.
Yes.
So letting go of the brake right now to get it moving. It's so quiet. Literally doesn't make a sound. Oh my gosh, it's so like zen
Yes.
and
very,
serene. Oh my god, it's so relaxing.
very calm.
All right, here we go. Driving an electric car, driving the ID bus. First people to drive it. That's so crazy. You know, it almost feels like driving, like learning to drive for the first time, because it's such a different kind of experience. And I'm like nervous to drive it very fast. Just kind of taking it, you know, step by step, seeing how it goes, you know, kind of getting to know each other. But we're going to be testing her out in some more hardcore conditions later on today. So I'm really curious to see how she manages on country roads. Okay, we're finally ready to hit the actual road, you know, not just driving around in a car park anymore, but actually going into the city. I'm a little bit nervous about this, but I think we'll manage. Now that it's official that I can drive the car, let me get some groceries and get ready for tonight, because tonight we're going camping in Texas. So, you know, Austin is great and all, but I'm all about nature. So I'm super excited that we're finally getting to drive outside of the city and into the Texan countryside. This is unbelievably exciting. I've got a really special place to show you guys, right on the Colorado River. When Volkswagen first reached out to me about this partnership, I immediately pictured taking the ID Buzz out camping, and that's how I pitched this idea. I'm pretty sure this is the first time ever that this car has experienced full-on countryside like this. Well, what can I say? When you hang out with me, you're always in for an adventure. Check out this place. It's so beautiful, and it's like a half hour from the center of Austin. Amazing. See, like, you don't have to go very far. You don't have to live like out in the wilderness to experience places like this. Sometimes they're just around the corner from the city. It's amazing. All right, I think I'm ready to get set up. I'm gonna get my stuff out of the boot and then have a little picnic. Let's do it. so peaceful, you know? I feel like once in a while it's just such a good habit to get away from the busyness of the city, you know, to just be able to sit in a place like this, just even by yourself or with a friend, and just take in the greenery, you know? Talk to the trees, smile at the sun. These are little pleasures, really. It's nothing major, it's nothing big, it's not expensive, but it's the greatest luxury, I think. So I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy this moment for a little while, maybe take a nap, you know. There's one thing though. Hang on, I mean, we're in Texas after all, aren't we? All right, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. It's time to stop lazing about and get some food ready. The sun is just about to set. It's so beautiful out here and I still can't cook. So I'm not gonna be impressing you with my kitchen skills today, but I think we can create something nice and simple. So here's a cool thing, you know, if you wanna be out in nature, cooking, making food, surviving, you don't actually need much. Just need like a source of gas, a chopping board, a knife, a pan. That's it, you're set. You know, it's so satisfying to watch halloumi become golden brown like this on a pan. Really makes you hungry. Really makes you hungry. So check this out. This is so simple. Like even I can cook it. It doesn't actually involve much cooking though. So just a simple salad with kale and cherry tomatoes and pepper and some guacamole on top, because of course we're in Texas, and halloumi grilled cheese. Honestly, I'd much rather have this really simple dish out here in nature than a dinner in a fancy restaurant somewhere in the city, any day. I don't know, just everything tastes so much better when you're outside, just having simple natural food and like really focusing on it, you know? And I can't believe that we're still half an hour's drive from Austin, because I just feel like I'm on holiday right now. And it's delicious.
It took me a good 25 years of my life to appreciate the power of nature to calm me down, relieve my anxiety, and ground me. This has been the greatest gift, and something that I've learned to cherish deeply.
Hello, ID. Tell me a joke.
Oh, my developers didn't teach me that, but I'll give it a go anyway. I couldn't work out how to fasten my seatbelt. Then it clicked.
Oh! That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yes.
I appreciate that.
Cheesy, but it's...
No, I appreciate that.